Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about surface area of pyramids. So we're going to be talking about two different types of pyramids. We're going to be talking about a square pyramid and a triangular pyramid. So you're going to be cutting this out. I know it looks like a ninja star. It is not. This is our net for our square pyramid. So the first thing I want you guys to do after you cut it out is we're going to fold along our sides, or our dark lines, to make our square for our bottom, or our base. And then we are going to have 4 triangular sides, when we're done. So after you cut them out, you should have a net that looks something like, well, a net when it's flat looks like that, but you should have a 3-dimensional shape that looks like this, which is a square pyramid. All right, so let's talk about finding the surface area of a square pyramid, and we're going to use this as our example. So the first thing we want to do is we want to see how many faces do I have on my square pyramid. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I've got 5 sides. So I'm going to label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to start with the first side, which is our base. So we have our base. In this case, it is a square. So we're going to find the area of that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6 by 6 square, which equals 36 units squared. That is the area of my base. Now I need to find the area of my triangles. Now, every single one of these triangles, my sides are exactly the same. So I find one, and I multiply that by 4, or I add it up 4 times. So we need to find the area of my triangle. And to do that, I need the area of the length of my base and my height. My height is perpendicular to the base. So from here straight up to here. So my base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the base is 6, the height is 8. 8 times 6 is 48, divided by 2, 24. So our side is 24 units squared. And I've got 4 of those. So I just simply add them up. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it should be 132 units squared. And take a calculator real quick and just double check my addition. $132, perfect. So that is the surface area of my square pyramid. Now, the reason why it's called a square pyramid is because the base is a square. Pretty straightforward. So we simply figure out how many sides there are, figure out the area of each side, and then add them up. That's our square pyramid right here. So the other pyramid we're going to talk about is something like this. And I didn't print one out, but it's a triangular pyramid. So base is a triangle, and I have triangular sides. All right, so that was our square pyramid. Now let's find the area of this triangular pyramid. So first thing, how many sides do I have? 1, 2, 3 sides, and a base. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 total faces. I've got 3 sides, and a base. So I'm going to find the area of each one of those faces and then add them up. So let's start with our base. So I have if we look at this, it's already kind of measured out. This is an equilateral triangle for my base, and that's going to be the same for all the problems you're working with. Every single base, the side lengths are going to be the same. So this is 2, and the height of my triangle is the distance from my base to my top and the perpendicular. I have a little thing there. The height of this is 2. So my triangle is, the base is 2, the height is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 divided by 2. The base is 2 inches squared. Now I'm going to find the area of my sides. So this is 2. That means the base of this triangle is 2. The height of my triangle here is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So each one of my sides is 3 inches squared. All right. So now that I have the area of all 4 sides of my triangular pyramid, I add them up. So my surface area is 11 inches squared. All right, so same thing that you guys did with your pyramids or your prisms, you're gonna do with your pyramids. You're gonna find the area of each one of you're gonna figure out how many faces there are, find the area of each one of those faces, and then add them up.